introduce myself. My name is Namira Aulia Putri with student identification number 64242266, a first semester management student from Minas Sarana Informatika University, Cikarang campus. Today, I will briefly express my opinion about the new President of the Republic of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto. I will discuss a bit starting from the background until his selection as the current President of the Republic of Indonesia. Prabowo Subianto is an Indonesian politician, businessman, and high-ranking military officer born on October 17, 1951, and he is the son of Suminto Joyo Hadikusumo, an economist and also a politician of the Indonesian Socialist Party. Before entering the world of politics, he began his military career in the Indonesian Army as a second lieutenant after graduating from the Military Academy in Magelang in 1976. In the business world, Prabowo owns and leads 27 companies in Indonesia and abroad. Looking at his track record and military career, he has shown that he is very diligent, consistent, and has the mental toughness to face obstacles and achieve goals. This is one of the keys to Prabowo Subianto's success. However, many people also criticize his military background. Looking at his track record and military career, he has shown that he is very diligent, consistent, and has the mental toughness to face obstacles and achieve goals. This is one of the keys to Prabowo Subianto's success. However, many people also criticize his military background. Of his background as a former commander of Kopassus, his manner of speaking is firm, straightforward, and disciplined, with message delivery directly and unambiguously. This also emphasizes speed and efficiency in message delivery, leaving no room for what he considers unnecessary talk. Prabowo Subianto, long political experience also suggests that he has a good understanding of Indonesia's government and political system. When he was still in the Minister of Defense, he also made policies to maintain the sovereignty of the country that could inspire commitment, the nationalists, and the courage to take bold steps, even though sometimes these policies were risky. One of Prabowo's visions to create jobs and reduce social inequality is very good for Indonesian society. Viewed from his personality, Prabowo is someone who possesses charisma and authority as a leader. Like other leaders, a person's view of a national leader can change by their action and policies. Some members of Indonesian society hope that the election of Prabowo Subianto as president can address Indonesia's economic problems, because the Indonesian economy is currently still unstable. Besides economic issues, education in Indonesia is also still unevenly distributed in every region, with many children not attending school due to financial constraints. It is hoped that the quality of education in Indonesia can be improved to create accomplished children, and also the prospect of health and security in Indonesia, which are still lacking in quality. Today, I will discuss material about adverbs of frequency, which include definitions, type, and example, as well as examples of using adverbs of frequency sentence to ask about something. First, there is definition of adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency is an adverb used to indicate how often an action or event occurs. This adverb provides information about the frequency or occurrence of an activity, whether it is done always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. The second is types of adverbs of frequency. The one, adverbs of definite frequency. These are adverbs that indicate the frequency of an event or occurrence at a specific and definite time without estimation. And adverbs of indefinite frequency. Definite adverbs of frequency provide a general idea of how often an action occurs without specifying a particular time. Adverb of definite frequency. The first, every. The word every in the adverb of definite frequency needs to be combined with another words that explains the time, like every day, every week, every month, and soon. The second is once, twice, 3 times, and etc. These words provide specific information about how many times an event occurs within a certain period. For example, once a week means that the event occurs once a week. And last, in adverb of definite frequency, yearly or annually, monthly, weekly, daily, and hourly. To explain more specific frequencies routinely, for example, hourly describes an event that occurs every hour, while monthly indicates an event that occurs every month. Adverb of indefinite frequency. The first, 100%. In this category, it indicates an activity that is done every time, without exception. The time indicators include always, every time, and constantly. The second, 60 to 70%. If there is an action or activity that mostly happens often but is not always done, then use the adverbs usually, often, normally, frequently, and regularly. The third is 50%. This category is used to indicate activities that occur about 50% of your time. Examples of adverbs used include sometimes, occasionally, seldom, and infrequently. The fourth, 10 to 20%. This adverb is used to convey activities that happen very often or even almost never. Examples of adverbs in this category are rarely and hardly ever. And the last, 0%. Adverb in this category indicate events that never happens at all. For examples, the words are never and not once. Example adverb of frequency. Here I mention 3 examples. The first, my father goes to his hometown every month to see my grandparents and other relatives there. The second, I only went to the haunted house once and I won't go to there again forever. And the third, your family traveling yearly to get some healing. And this year, we will go to Bogor in West Java. Example adverb of frequency. Adverb of indefinite frequency. In the section, I also mentioned 3 examples. Number 1, she always studies so hard in her home, reviews her lesson from the school, and prepares for the tomorrow lesson. Number 2, Sarah usually gives ride to her sister in the morning and they go to school together. Number 3, he hardly ever gets sick. Example, question and answer using adverb of frequency. Question, how often do you exercise? Answer. Number 1. I lift weight every day. Number 2. I go jogging once a week. Number 3. I play soccer twice a month. Number 4. I swim about 3 times a year. Number 5. I don't exercise very often. Example, questions and answers using a verb of frequency. Questions. Do you ever watch TV in the evening? Answer. Number 1. Yes, I often watch TV after dinner. Number 2. I sometimes watch TV before bed. Number 3. Sometimes I watch TV before bed. Number 4. I hardly ever watch TV. Number 5. No, I never watch TV. Thank you for the listening today.